The last presentation for today comes from Vikram Sinha. Vikram is currently the President and CEO of IOH in Indonesia. Before that, he has been running operations in Ooredoo, Myanmar, as well as Maldives, before joining the Ooredoo Group in 2013. He worked with Bharti, Airtel, and Coca-Cola.
Hi everyone, good afternoon and welcome to Ooredoo Group Capital Market Day 2023 in Doha. My name is Vikram and I am the CEO of Indosat Ooredoo Hutchison. Today my presentation will be in three parts. The first part, I will introduce you to Indonesia and its digital economy. In the second part, I will talk about our merger progress and what we have done so far. And finally, on third part, I'll talk about our future focus plans and how we intend to drive the business going forward. Let me start with the first. It's important to be in the right place at right time, and why I say so. Let me bring to you Indonesia, Southeast Asia biggest nation with a population of more than 278 million people, and today it is the 16th biggest economy in the world, and by 2030 it is supposed to be among the top 10. The country is rapidly growing with a GDP growth of 5% forecasted for 2023-2024, but the important thing is consistently 5% is given, and this is what we are seeing going forward for next 5 years. Importantly, Indonesia is blessed with a young population where around 49% of the people are below the age of 30, making it really ripe for consumption as young people look for opportunity to improve and grow. The digital economy will be a massive contributor to the growth of the nation going forward, as it is forecasted to grow from 8% of GDP in 2022 to 14% of GDP by 2027. Or let me break this into number, approximately 19 billion now to 205 billion US dollar by 2027. This will be driven by rising internet penetration and addition of almost 22 million new internet users in next 3 to 4 years. This will have positive benefit for cellular spending, where Indonesia remains below the benchmark versus other nations in the region. Let me now get to my second point. Indosat Ooredoo Hutchison, we call it IOH, was born on 4th of January 2022 with a single-minded purpose to deliver a world-class digital experience and to connect and, more importantly, to empower every Indonesian. On the onset of the merger, we had, I have to say this, many doubters. Historically speaking, telecom merger of large companies have been difficult and many have faced execution challenges, especially on the first 2 years. Rating agencies were cautious on our outlook given some uncertainties that we would face. However, we managed to navigate through these challenges and are on a journey towards one of the most successful merger and integration stories globally. We managed to complete our network integration well ahead of the schedule with improving customer experience and also growing our customer base. We are also seeing better business profitability and revenue growth with synergy realization. If you remember in my presentation in September 2021, before the merger, we gave a range of 300 to 400 million US dollar annualized synergy value in 3 to 5 years. I'm extremely happy to announce that we will deliver it on the higher end of that range, crossing 400 million and we will do that in a quicker time. We will do it in 3 years. As you can see, our results speak for itself. We are seeing a strong growth across both financial and operational metrics. We are focused on delivering even better results going forward. And as a result, the market is recognizing and rewarding us for our progress with close to 4.3x improvement on our share price. This is also translating internally as our employees are also seeing higher satisfaction scores. This is very close to my heart. We are in a people business, and when we see employees and fully engaged, results follow. Now that we have seen the updates on our past 22-23 months, I'll take you through the final part of our presentation, which is our future focuses. Timing is important. With our current scale, with Indonesia growth opportunity, our focus number one is to double down on the growth in our core business, as there is still significant revenue opportunity for us in mobile. We are further expanding into more regions in Indonesia and improve our coverage. This will be key to driving close to double-digit growth in the next few years. There is also further upside from maximizing the value to our customer through marvelous experience, digital services, contributing to drive ARPU going forward. We are very confident that we will continue to grow our ARPU, and we see a clear opportunity there. Finally, through both revenue growth and realizing we will continue to grow EBITDA faster than revenue and continue our EBITDA margin expansion. We are all set with our scale to move what we call it as telco to techco. We have also embarked into our journey of what does techco means to us. Building our own technology platform where we can look at adding adjacent revenue to be more than just an infrastructure provider and look to build our ecosystem through partnership to solidify our business potential for the future. We have clear 5 pillars, and I'll quickly take you through. The number one, and this is very, very important to us, our purpose. Everything revolves around our purpose of empowering every Indonesian. Number 2, creating marvelous experience to our customer. We have 100 million customers, and we want to make sure we give marvelous experience personalized to each and every one. Partners and employees, we want to make money with our partner. We want to get the best to Indonesia to give marvelous experience to our customer. Building our innovation engine. This is very important. We have created our marvelous experience center where we want to innovate, co-create, and build our innovation engine. And last but not the least, driving digital leadership, finally through our principle of Gotong Royong, which means partnering for growth, and also building the leaders of digital native. For us, AI will be crucial driver for our growth going forward. We want IOH to be the AI native techco. AI will be the bedrock of our objective, where we'll stage marvelous experience, grow revenue, strengthen our return on capital employed. And this is where we will really invest on our people. Every dollar invest on technology will be supported with a dollar spent on our people development. That concludes my presentation. In summary, it is a very exciting time for us at IOH, and the best is yet to come.